Okay, it's time to give you some new information. As most of you knew, we were going to go to Florida to Disney World. Well, we kind of postponed that vacation until the world calms down. So we decided what we're going to do is take a drive for a few days to New Orleans and try some of their Cajun food out there and some of their beignets out there. And we're going to take Jack on the Go show out to New Orleans. And we're going to show you New Orleans. It's however you pronounce it. But anyway, we're going to do some shows out there, okay? So be ready for that. Just to get geared up, we're doing this. This is a beautiful Cajun. It's called creamy Cajun chicken. And my mouth waters just saying it. It looks so good in the picture, I had to try and make it. Okay, guys, take a look at these great flavors. We have got some flour up in here, got a little olive oil, got some heavy whipping cream. Can you see that? It's right here. Heavy whipping cream. We've got some Parmesan cheese, garlic cloves, garlic. You gotta love the garlic. And then we got some chicken bone broth, sun-dried tomatoes, Cajun seasoning, slap ya mama Cajun seasoning, some of my favorite. We've got the butter up in front here. We've got salt and pepper. And this is the star of the show right here. We got some skinless, boneless chicken breasts. So let's get that creamy, wonderful sauce going. I think we're going to work on the chicken first, get that cooked, then we'll start doing the sauce. You guys ready? All right, let's get it started. So I'm making a quick change to this recipe, but this recipe asks for you to put the chicken in the flour and roll in the flour, then season it. I'm putting my seasoning in the flour, and then I'll season a little bit on top before I cook it. So let's do this. So get your flour in a bowl, all right? You're going to put a little salt in there. A little pepper. For me, it's a lot of pepper. I love a lot of pepper. Garlic. And here's your Cajun seasoning. Slap your mama Cajun seasoning. Some of my favorite. Reminds me of back home, California. We used to put this on everything. As you can see here, we cut all our chicken breasts in half. They're kind of like chicken breast cutlets, okay? They'll cook a lot better this way. You're just going to take your chicken, you're going to dredge it in flour, and then place it back on your tray. This is just for holding. Do it with the next piece. This is how I do my fish too. Okay, now let's heat up our skillet. Make sure we got a flame. Yep, always check to make sure you got a flame. Do a little bit of olive oil in the pan. A little bit of butter. That's a popular thing to put oil and butter in. Okay, we're going to place our chicken in here. Don't put too many in. You're going to have to cook them in rounds because you don't want them too close to each other. Okay, as you can see how we're cooking it, I just want you to brown. Now we're going to cook the chicken a little more later, but right now just get all the outside browned. Get it all cooked on all sides. Go through all your pieces. And it smells amazing already. All right, we're on to our last piece of chicken right here. I'm gonna set it over here. We're putting all the chicken on a plate for right now, over to the side. All right, now you're gonna lower your flame. This is on a medium-high. You're gonna lower it to medium. You're gonna put your garlic in. Get your broth poured in there. And your sun-dried tomatoes. Give that about a minute. Get everything incorporated, pop that garlic, get those sun-dried tomatoes rehydrated, Get the butter and the oil mixed in. Everything's looking good. Let's get our cream in there. Get our Cajun seasoning in there. Beautiful, beautiful. Mix that up nice and well. Beautiful. And then place your chicken back in. Now you don't care if the pieces are close together or not. You want to get all your chicken back in. Because your chicken's already been browned, so you don't need them far apart from each other. As you know, the Scalfani household did a double batch. So you're going to cook this down. Let the chicken cook in there. Alright guys, so this has been cooking for probably 15-20 minutes. All the chicken is above 165 degrees. We make sure every piece is in the safe zone. What the last step you're going to do is turn off your flame. You can see it's hot, right? It's bubbling. So turn off your flame. And then apply the cheese. Now me personally, I like it melted, so I'm gonna sit here and put it back on low just for a minute, literally. Just to get the cheese melted. Okay guys, look at this. Does this look beautiful? It's got cheese melted on top. It's got your sun-dried tomatoes. You can see the garlic in there. The creamy Cajun seasoning and sauce. It's absolutely beautiful. We've got to give this a try right now. Okay, I kind of burned the side of my arm just for a moment on the pan. I splattered some sauce on me, so those are the only casualties. So right now we're going to find out the benefits of making this dish. Are you ready? I'm really excited about that creamy sauce. That looks amazing. All right, let's give it a try right now. Garlic, cheese, Cajun. Wow. Can't wait for dinner. I think it started already. Guys, I'm telling you, if I had to give this like stars, I'd do like 5 stars. This is so easy to do and so delicious. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode.